So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to send contracts for signature in Docusign in a few clicks. So firstly, log in to Docusign. Click Start. Then Envelopes. Then send an envelope. And upload or drag and drop your document. Enter the recipient's name and email address. In the delivery fields, click in Add Recipient if you need multiple signers. Now type out your custom email subject and email message in the text boxes, then click Next. Add fields. Now drag and drop the standard sign-in elements like signature, initial, or date sign directly onto the contract lines. Just a tip, select a different recipient's name from the top left drop-down menu to change color-coded fields for separate signers. Now click the preview button at the top to review the layout. Then hit Send to dispatch the document once everything looks right. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.